So today we're going to be talking about how I maintain my curly ends. So real quick, let's just do a quick 360. So pretty much when you have loose ends and everything else is locked, it is a little bit of maintenance because every time you wash your hair, you guys already know how natural hair works. Once you wash your hair and your follicles are open, they want to tangle and do all this extra stuff and mat, which essentially creates a lock. But if you want your ends to be loose, you don't want that to happen. So what you have to do is condition your hair and comb it out. Sometimes, I'm not gonna lie to you, sometimes I'm like, dude, I feel like just letting them all seal because this is annoying. Like every time I wash my hair, I have to go through and detangle and make sure things are looking right, because if not, you're gonna end up with a situation like, let me find one. Okay, so this one is pretty good. You see the end is curled, but this part right here, this little bubble right there, is forming a bud that I don't want. So the lock ends here and not here, but it wants to bud right there. And I feel like if I let this bud, next thing you know, this is gonna want to bud. So we're just not doing that snowball effect. You feel me? I take some really, really hot water, put it in a spray bottle. I take whatever conditioner you use that works for your hair. I use this leave-in conditioner by Aussie. I usually put it directly on my hair, but I'm just gonna put it in this. And then I'm gonna take some glycerin, put a little bit in there, because where I live is like super humid, so it's great. I have no issues with dryness. I'm gonna put a little bit of oil, sweet almond oil, just a little bit, because I spray this on my hair like every other day or so, so I don't want my hair to be like super oily. I'm gonna separate my hair first though. Okay, so before, I know you guys saw that video where I was like detangling every single lock individually. No. Not no more. Not no more. I just take a chunk like this, spray. Ooh. Ooh. So annoying. I feel like I didn't put enough leave-in in there. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna have to take some more of this. Sometimes I also mix it. I actually use this too. I mix this with this. And my ends, my curls are always so freaking moisturized. And I just put a little bit of the smoothie in there. And I just put it on through. I take my brush and then I recently did a protein treatment, so I feel like my hair just feels a lot better. The ends feel better too. Like they just feel stronger. Like any pieces that are trying to lock at the top, I just kind of look for them and comb those through. Look for them, comb those through. Everything looks good here now. So anyways, if I wasn't going to use gel, this is what I usually do, because if I still leave my hair, even though it's moisturized and everything, it's still going to try to lock up on itself. I take a scrunchie, I roll it up like this, and then I kind of do this. Because my hair is so lock ready that it will try to bud even while there's conditioner on it. Like people will be like, oh, don't condition your hair, like your hair's not gonna lock. My hair does not give a flying. So I leave it like that. But I don't know, I kind of feel like putting gel so you guys can see what it looks like. Again, I use Eco Styler Gel. Y'all already know. And then I just take some and smack it through. And with the gel, I don't have to use a scrunchie because the gel just keeps it from trying to seal or shrink. So I like it. It works. And there you go. See how pretty that looks? Look at that. I'm trying to show y'all. It's just so defined and very moisturized. So nice. Let's just keep going. So I just finished, and I'm just gonna turn around so you guys can see what it's looking like. That's pretty much it.